Okay, in this video I would like to share to all of you about how to make a folded wall partition. I've already prepared about this base object around floor and the wall object. And first of all, you have to make a rotated rectangle to make a basic shape of folded wall partition. You can set the object start from here. Then you can set the height of the one module wall partition, maybe around 800 millimeter, and then you can set with any thickness as proportional as possible. And then we have to push it up maybe around 3000 millimeter or 3 meter, and then we can offset this plane from the edge right here. We can offset around 40 millimeter only, and then we can push it to the back until it clear. Okay, and then we can make it group, and after that we can make a rectangle. You can make a rectangle from the corner on midpoint and to the midpoint corner. Then you can push. Then we can push it just a little. Then we can make it group itself. And then we can add some material on the component. We can add maybe we can add fencing. Okay, we can add this, and then we can adjust the material with synthetic surface maybe, and then we can make it group, and then just make it component and just create it. So with this one module we can explore it for any model and any design, but in this case we would make it to be a folded wall partition anyway, and then we have to rotate it with this rotate tool. Then we can rotate from the corner. Then we can select this side and then just click it maybe around 40, around 34 degree for rotation. Then we can, I'm sorry, we have to make it okay, we have to move and press Ctrl it on a green axis, and then we can rotate it also with any rotation as we want anyway. Then we can combine it from the corner to the corner anyway, something like this. And we can also adjust the rotation with the rotation tool again, something like this. Then we can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it. Okay, this is just wall partition anyway. Okay, and we can make ceiling with the rectangle push and rotated object. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope this short video you can explore more from this basic, and I hope it would be a lot of benefit and advantage to all of you. And wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.